Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install Kotlin Native on Windows. First, make sure you already installed Java Oracle or OpenJDK and the installation is simple, so let's begin. Now download Kotlin Native binary distribution for Windows. After download finish, extract file to any folder you want, and I suggest you not use space character in folder name. Next, open environment variable and add Kotlin Native bin folder to system path. Also add conan lib folder to class path. Optionally, if you already install Kotlin JVM, you can remove Kotlin JVM bin folder from system path to avoid conflict with command Kotlin C. Close environment variable, and next open command line and type Kotlin C -native -version or Kotlin C -version to check the installation. Next, I will create Hello World application in Kotlin Native to test the installation. The file code I will put in Kotlin Native bin folder. So now I point command line to Kotlin Native bin folder. Next, create file hello kotlin native.gt inside Kotlin Native bin folder. Inside the file, put main function with message hello Kotlin Native. After that, compile the source code with command Kotlin C -native, source file name, in this example hello kotlin native.gt, -o, output file name, in this example hello kotlin native. Hit enter, and after compile finish, type hello kotlin native.exe to run the program. You can also compile source code with command Kotlin C source file name, in this example hello kotlin native.gt, -o, output file name, in this example test. After compile finish, type test.exe to run the program. Okay, now you have success installed Kotlin Native on Windows and create Hello World application in Kotlin Native. I hope this video can help you to install Kotlin Native on Windows and get started with Kotlin Native. If you have question, suggestion or request, please leave it in comment below. Please hit like button if this video useful. Please subscribe for more useful video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.